Friends, today I, Saurav Avasthi, teacher of Mount Litra G School, Jhansi, have brought a new topic for you, that is the first lesson of your supplementary book of your moments, that is The Lost Child by Mulk Raj Anand, where the child is going to be lost in the fair when he just went with his parents. So, just because of his one mistake, he lost his parents. So, let's begin with the summary of the chapter. So, let's begin the summary of the chapter The Lost Child by Mulk Raj Anand. Here, in this story, it is about a young innocent boy and his bond with his parents. So there is a fair going on, and everyone in and around the village is traveling to partake of the delights of the fair. Among them is a young boy. He skips and runs happily alongside his parents as they walked to the fair. There are many people traveling along with them. Some of them were moving in bullock carts or horses, while most of them are walking to the fair. The boy's excitement grows as he sees all the people around them. On his way, he sees a toy shop. He loudly proclaims. Here, students, the meaning of proclaims is to make something known officially or publicly, that he wants a toy. His father looks at him sternly. To divert the child's attention, his mother draws his attention towards the mustard fields. There is a vast field of golden yellow mustard fields, and its color excites the boy. The field is also filled with butterflies. The boy is fascinated by the butterflies as they fly close to him. He tries to catch some of them, but they elude him. Elude means to manage to avoid being caught. His parents call out to him to join them. They have taken shelter in a shaded grove. As soon as the boy enters the grove, a shower of the flowers greets him and he holds out his hand to catch the petals. The boy looks around in wonder, taking in all the sights and sounds of nature. From the grove, they traveled along a narrow path to the fair. From the serene world of nature, the boy enters the world of the fair. Now, students, here it's cacophony. So, here cacophony means noise or unpleasant sound. Sights and smells fascinate and repel him at the same time. The boy stops in front of the sweet shop, tempted by the delightful display of sweets. He wants a burfi, though he knows his parents will not buy it for him. As they walk on, he is attracted by the beautiful garlands of gulmohar in the next shop. Though he wants one around his neck, he knows his parents will call it cheap and refuse him. Now, brightly colored balloons on a pail greet him next. He stops and gazes at the bright balloons floating in the air. He knows his parents well. Tell him he is too old to play with them. So he moves on to where a snake charmer is playing his flute. He wants to hear the music, but he knows his parents will forbid it. Finally, he reaches the giant wheel. His eyes shine at the giant wheel, keeping on turning with its brightly colored lights and people laughing and shouting. He cannot contain himself any longer and clamors to get on it. So here, clamors means to demand something in a loud and angry way. Okay, but his parents do not reply. He turns around, but his parents are not with him any longer now. Students, this was a time now when his parents have been aparted from him. Now the child was frightened. He starts howling. He runs here and there trying to find his parents. Now, what is going to happen? Just see now. There are tears in his eyes, and his clothes became dirty. He notices a temple around which many people are gathered. He hopes that he can find his parents there, but there are too many people and he cannot see them. A kind stranger rescues him from the stampede of people. The stranger asks the boy, who are his parents? But the boy cannot tell him. The child only repeats that he wants his mother and father. The stranger then takes him to the roundabout and asks whether he wants a ride. But the child doesn't want one now. The stranger then takes him to a snake charmer, asking him if he wants to hear the music. But the child closes his ears now and he started crying for his parents. So now what to do? Again, that stranger shakes his head at the pretty balloons, but that small child again refuses and also refuses to put that garland also in his neck. So now students now see that what happened then next. Finally, the stranger takes him to the sweet shop, but the child cannot be consoled now anymore by the sweets and continued to cry for his parents. And that was the final thing which happened in the story. That was the child was crying, I want my mother and I want my father. So, this is the story, students, of a lost child who is separated from his parents, and now he realized that he has lost the most important thing of his life. So that's why, students, you all should always remember that parents are the best and the most wonderful gift to us by God. So you should always love them and respect them. So, okay, this was the summary of the story The Lost Child, written by Mulk Raj Anand. So now, students, we will meet in the next video with some question answers and again with some more conceptual points related to this chapter. Till then, try to find the question answers of these 5 questions which I have given you, which have been taken from the NCERT, your supplementary reader book. Okay, and in the next video we will meet again with question answers. Till then, be at home, stay safe and stay healthy. Thank you so much.